Welcome to MamboSoftware. This video is for showing how to create credit memo under tenant transaction list. Click on Client, scroll down to Tenant Transaction List and select Credit Memos and click on it. Select either tenant or landlord, select an account. Select a name under unit/tenant. Select invoice number under Invoice No. Click on Save and Close. Editing. You can edit when you want to view the information you have made or when you want to make necessary changes. Select an item by clicking on it, then click the Edit button. Make necessary changes and then click on Save and Close. Cloning is when you want to make a copy of information and make necessary changes. Select an item by clicking on it and then click Clone button. Make the necessary changes. And finally click Save and Close. Thank you for watching.